Okay, so up here on the roof, we have here architectural type asphalt shingle. Homeowner says that it actually has a 50-year warranty, and that it was installed around 2006, which sounds about right. It is showing a little bit of some signs of wear, a little bit of granule loss. You could see at the edges the granules start to fall off, but still in good shape. Yeah, there's not really much to that. I didn't really find anything actually, but I'll take you and walk you around the roof. So one thing you might want to consider doing is, not that it's really heavy anymore. This looks like an old antenna is on here, on the chimney here. There probably used to be another part that would stick off. Sometimes they're really heavy and they put stress on the chimney, but you could leave it up here. You could take it off. I don't think it's in use anymore though. The skylights look like they're in good shape. Flashing around the skylights looks good. Didn't see any signs of leak on the inside. So we were good with that. I'm just gonna hop up here. Okay. So, yep, same thing going on up here. Ridge vent. This is interesting. I see these once in a while. It's like a hairball from an owl. They cough those up. That's pretty neat. So, anyways, you can see on the back side a little bit of that black stuff is a little bit of algae. Nothing to get too concerned about. More of an aesthetic thing. If it gets really bad, it can start wearing on the shingles, but that wasn't. Yeah, here's that bracket for that old antenna. So yeah, flashing looks good around the chimney. Chimney looks good. Looks like there was 3 flues, but only one of them's in use here for that oil stove in the basement. Down here, I did want to just point this out down here. Here in the corner here, typically you see it's called kick-out flashing. It sort of kicks it's just like a piece of flashing. Basically looks like that and kicks water away from the house. You can actually see that they have aluminum behind, and then the gutter, and then the siding's cut out, so the gutter goes up against the house. So you don't really need the kick-out flashing if you do it like that, but that still is an area that you want to keep an eye on for possible water intrusion. Yeah, that's just another way of accomplishing the same thing. Probably don't care about it unless you're a roofing nerd. So anyways, so you can see some of the algae staining here again. You can actually prevent that. You can either put like copper or zinc flashing, and the water goes over the flashing and it runs down. It's not really flashing, it's just a piece of metal, and it actually runs down the roof and kills the algae. So yeah, and then down here is just well, I started over there and walked all the way around. I guess I'm not gonna try to jump down here with the camera, but pretty much the same. Everything looks pretty good. Skylights look good, shingles look good.